Hey everyone, thanks for tuning back in. I just wanted to make a couple edits. A viewer had let me know, which is super cool, that first of all, Bluey is a girl, which I didn't know. And also, Dad and Mom have names. So this is going to be good for me to know when I start using this, obviously, with my kiddo that loves the show. So I'm going to edit Dad's label and I'm going to put Bandit. So Dad's name is Bandit. And I believe it's Bandit Healer. I think they're all, and Mom's name is Chili. All right, so we've got Bandit, which is Dad. So I fixed his label. And then Mom, we're in the folder, so we're gonna just click on her. All right, so now I have Mom, and I'm gonna change her name to Chili, which is Chilli. Okay. So we have those done, and then any other characters, if we want to add any other characters from the show to the page, you can still do that the same way that I did in the other video. So since we're in here, I want to add a few more characters so that we can practice adding in characters, and so that I can also, I did a little bit of research just to look up more of the characters to kind of know a little bit about the show before I, start working with her, this little girl, on this folder. So I'm going to hit the pencil button and I'm going to start adding. So you can see the button next to Chili, the mom, and it has on the left, it has just a plus, so that's to make add a button, as we said before in previous videos. And then on the right, there's a plus with a folder icon symbol around it. So we're not going to hit that one because we don't want to make a new folder. We want to make a button in the folder. So I just hit the plus. I'm going to add a picture. We're going to add, and just to back up, I did change the border of Bluey. So her border is now yellow, so that the immediate family, Bluey, Bingo, Bandit, Chili, all have yellow. And then I was going to add 2 aunts and a friend. So the aunt, we're going to choose now. So I'm hitting add picture and choose a picture. I'm going to go to my recents, and then we're going to add Aunt Trixie. So Aunt Trixie, it says, is Bluey and Bingo's aunt and Muffin and Socks' mom. So here's Aunt Trixie. So we're going to make it just her picture. And I'm going to hit use for the picture. And then I am going to label her Aunt Trixie. Okay. So we got Aunt Trixie. Oh, and why did it go to Trisha? Trixie, I said. There we go. Okay. I want to change her border color. It went to the black. I'm going to change hers to blue. Let's make immediate family border colors yellow and then extended family like aunts blue. So border color we're hitting, and then we're going to scroll down until we get to a blue color. Great. And then I'm going to unclick Aunt Trixie, and I'm going to go to the next button next to her, and I'm going to click the plus, the button, to add a new button, and we're going to add another aunt. So I hit add picture. We're going to choose picture, not symbol. I took some screenshots when I was trying to learn more. This is Auntie Brandy. So we've got Aunt Trixie and Auntie Brandy. So Auntie Brandy is the older sister of Chili, so their mom, the sister-in-law of Bandit, and the maternal aunt of Bluey and Bingo. I like how they describe all that. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to close in on her there. So it's just her, and then we'll put her name in the label. Okay, so I'm going to hit use up on the right there for use that picture, and she is Auntie Brandy. Brandy, right? I'm going to triple check that spelling in a second. Done. I'm going to hit done, and the way I'm going to triple check the spelling is when I add the next button, I'm going to actually go down to the pencil button again for editing. I'm going to change Auntie's border color now to the other aunt's border color. So I hit the edit, and now if you go down on the left to border color, we're going to scroll down to that blue. Okay. And then I can hit done and then pencil edit again and then do the new button, or that's totally unnecessary. What I can do to start working on the newest button is to click Auntie Brandy again, and she will be no more, she won't have a check anymore. And so now we can work on the button next to her. So again, we're not going to hit the folder side on the right, we're going to hit the button. And I'm going to add picture, and I'm going to choose the picture, and I'm not going to put the same picture, but I just want to see. I did spell Auntie Brandy, Brandy. Okay. Cancel. And so I wanted to add Bentley. So Bentley is a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel, and it says she's small and inventive, friendly, supportive, and determined. So Bentley is friends with Bingo, which is Bluey's sister, and they go to kindy together. So she's a schoolmate. So I'm gonna crop her. And then I'm just going to check her, Bentley. Okay, I'm going to crop her, and I'm going to hit use the picture, and then I'm going to put her name as Bentley, oops, Ley, Bentley. Okay, she's a friend. So instead of yellow for immediate family or blue for aunts, like extended family, I'm going to choose a different pretty color. I'm going to go to the left and hit border color. Then I'm going to come down and I'm going to hit a nice violet. This says violet, but it looks pink to me. I don't know. Where's it? That one. I like that one. All right. There are a bunch of other characters. But we're not going to add them now. I just wanted to show you, I wanted to make the corrections and add the names because the viewer let me know the names of mom and dad, and then also that Bluey's a girl. And then I wanted to just add Aunt Trixie and Auntie Brandy, and then show you how to change how you can do something cool like make the border colors different for the types of characters. So yellow is immediate family. And then we put blue for the aunties, the aunts and aunties for the extended family. And then Bentley's a friend, so we put a pink border color. So you don't have to do that, but it's kind of fun, and if it's helpful in any way, we can do that. So hit done, and then there we go. So I'm going to go back to home, and here's the folder, and then we have
Bluey, Bingo, Bandit, Chili, and Trixie, Auntie Brandy, Bentley.
okay. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you again to the viewer that helped me out with that to make some of those corrections. I really appreciate any comments or questions, anything you guys can do to help me, or if you need anything that I can maybe give you or help you with in any way. All right, thanks guys. Take care.